Okay, all I'm going to do here is take the tool, and if she'll let me, I'm going to put a bead on the tool. This is real simple to use. Now it's going to open back up, so I'm going to use it to just get, all I need is a little strand of her hair. Doesn't take very much, but what I'm going to do is close it up by pushing the bead up, and then I'm simply going to pull it back through. Once you pull it back through, all you have to do is take the feather that you want to put in. I'm going to put a couple of feathers here because they're little, and they'll dress her hair up real cute. And once those are in, all I have to do is take the crimping tool. She's real curious as to what's going on. The nice part about the feathers is they're actually even better than the ribbons and bows because they don't pull on her hair. They're not tight. She doesn't even know they're there. She's got these cute little feathers on her, but she doesn't really even feel that they're there. So they're pretty great to do and pretty simple.